Welcome to Shastra Academy. Today we are introducing a new course on this topic, battery management system. It will be having a 10 minutes or 15 minutes duration class, and it will be for 25 to 30 classes. Okay, and today is introduction class for this battery management system. Before coming to that, this battery management system will be very much useful for students who are aspiring or graduated in different streams of engineering. It will be very much helpful in your job activities as well as such in research activities. Okay, before coming to that, battery management system. Okay, then what's the importance of this battery? We all know we use this battery everywhere, in your phone, in your microphones, in your laptops, everywhere. Every portable gadgets we see today have these batteries, and these batteries have an important role in today's life. Okay, then before going to that, first we will see what's the need for a battery management. Why are we managing a battery? Okay, so first one, protect the application users. Okay, if you are using a battery or if you are using a gadget, for example phone, for example laptop or any other thing, electrical vehicle. Okay, battery have a very much importance in the field of electrical vehicles. We are going to that. There is a separate chapter for electrical vehicles and all. Now just we are seeing that what's the need for battery management. Okay, then we know as I said earlier, there is a different types of devices which uses battery. So the need for battery management are, first one, to protect the application users. We must protect ourselves because we know battery has many problems in case of it will explode or it can drain. So in order to protect the users, we must manage the batteries. Next one is protect the battery pack itself. We have to protect the battery itself because in case of in hybrid electrical vehicles or in smart grid like applications, the battery will be very much costly. Okay, in case of TV remote and or clock and all, we can neglect it because it is inexpensive, costless. But if we are coming in the case of hybrid electrical vehicles, smart grid or any higher application for batteries, so we have to protect the battery itself. So next point is maximizing the performance delivery of the battery. Okay, performance means what? In case of electrical engineering, we can say performance is efficiency, or we can say increasing the energy or the power. So we can maximize the energy or power of this battery. Next one, another important factor is maximizing the life. Okay, we have to maximize the lifespan of a battery. Okay, how much it will be using. Okay, so these are the need for battery management. Why are we managing a battery? As I told earlier, first point is protect the users. Second one is protect the battery itself. The third point is to increase the performance. That means increase energy and increase the power delivering from the battery. Okay, last one, maximizing the lifespan. So next we are going to the topic battery management system. In short form, it is called BMS. In this, we studied about the need for battery management. Next, we are directly going to what is BMS and why it is needed. Okay. That's a need for this battery management system. Then, now we are looking what is a battery management system. Okay, a battery management system is used for, as I told earlier, manage the battery. Okay. So, basically, battery management system is a combination of built electronics plus specially designed algorithm. Okay. The battery management system will be having an electronic some electronic components, small electronic components forming an electronic circuit plus a specially designed algorithm. It can be a program. So a control program plus an implementing circuit will be consisting of this BMS, battery management system. Totally it can be said as BMS. It will be having built electronics plus specially designed algorithm. Okay, as we all know, the commonly used battery nowadays is lithium ion battery. Lithium ion you all know because you are using in your phone, laptop, everywhere. This is used everywhere in every electronic applications. In case of electric vehicles and all, lithium ion batteries are widely used. The problem with this lithium ion battery is, if we overcharge this battery, there is a chance of explode. Okay, in earlier types of batteries we do not have this much problems, but nowadays we are using this lithium ion battery for much more purposes. So the problem is that if you overcharge this lithium ion battery, there is a chance for exploding. So there comes the importance of this battery management system, as we all using the lithium ion batteries much more in every applications in field of batteries. So there comes the importance of this battery management system. Okay, next we are going to next topic, that is electric vehicle. Okay, for us we are mainly concentrating, first of all we are mainly concentrating of this battery management system in case of electric vehicles. So before going to the parts or the parameters of battery, we are going to electric vehicles and what are the types of electric vehicles. After seeing that what are the types of electric vehicles and what this battery has the impact on this electric vehicle, then next part we will go for the different types of batteries or what are the parameters in batteries, and we are going in detail about this batteries and battery management. So next, as an introduction to battery management techniques, as it is used much more and as it is used very much in case of vehicle technology, we are going to electric vehicle and what are the types of different electric vehicles. Okay, now we have completed the what is meant by BMS in electronics plus specially designed algorithm. Next we are going to electric vehicle where this battery management system is very much widely used. Okay, then we can see battery management system. So before going in depth about battery management system, now we are seeing electric vehicles. Why we are seeing electric vehicle is that the battery management and battery has an important role in electric vehicles, because battery or battery management are the soul of an, we can say in a word, it is a soul of an electric vehicle. So before going into our main topic, that is battery management system, now prior to that we are seeing electric vehicles. Okay, electric vehicle, as you all know about electrical vehicle. The important thing is, before that, okay, we can classify the electric vehicle basically into four types. First of all, we will see the first one, that is hybrid vehicle. Hybrid vehicle is that the motive power, that is the car is driven with the help of a battery and at least with one source. At least that one source means it can be petrol, diesel or any other gasoline. Okay, this is hybrid. So there will be two, one is electric battery, another will be at least one source, it can be a petrol or diesel, like that. And there is an example, Toyota Prius hybrid electrical car. Okay, here the battery used in this Toyota Prius hybrid electric car, I think it was launched in 2001. At that time there was one or two electric hybrid vehicle cars in America, USA. Okay, so the battery used in that time for this car was nickel metal hydride battery. Now it is replaced with lithium ion. In the previous class I told the problems with lithium ion. So the importance of battery management system if we are using this lithium ion battery, as every battery in every battery or in every devices, the battery is replaced with the help of lithium ion. The BMS have a very important role in this electric vehicle also. Okay, then coming to the next part, that is second part or the second classification of electric vehicle. Okay, we can see the second classification of electric vehicle. Second type of electric vehicle is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. This is same as that what I told earlier, that is hybrid vehicle. The only difference is plug-in. That means if the battery is discharged or the battery is used up, we can go to a charging station and you can plug it and charge the battery, and the battery can be used further. The only difference is we can plug in earlier cases we cannot do that, but in this case the only difference is that we can plug in or we can charge the battery from a charging station. Here also battery plus a gasoline engine is used. It can be petrol or diesel, that I told earlier. Here the difference is this battery is used for low speed drive or low speed application, and if the speed is more or the demand is more, we can use this gasoline engine for meeting. If the demand is more, that is the demand in the car, that is the demand in the car is more, it is turned on for meeting the demand. Okay, so in normal cases the battery is used. So if there is any additional demand or if there is any additional source demand, so gasoline engine can be turned on and the demand can be met. This is the only difference. The difference is that we can plug, we can go to a charging station and you can refill your battery capacity. The next example is Ford C Maxi Energy. It's a car, and we will get 32 kilometers for one charging. Okay. The next we are going to see the third type of electric vehicle, that is, the third classification is extended range electrical vehicle. This is same as that of the earlier one, second one, plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle. The only difference is that battery storage is more. Battery storage more. Battery storage is more here. Battery storage more. Okay, this is the only difference. This is the only difference here. So here the battery storage is more and it can be used for a long time. That is, the efficiency is 80 kilometer per charging. Okay, this is the difference per charging. Example is Chevrolet Volt. Next one is electric vehicle. It is otherwise called battery vehicles. Here the difference is it only works in battery or in electricity. No other that is gasoline sources, no hybrid sources, only electric. It is otherwise called battery vehicles because it works only in battery or electricity. The example, as we all know, is Tesla Motors, and that is giving a range of 300 miles per charging. Okay, so these are the application where battery is used mainly in electrical vehicles. We have seen the 4 types of electrical vehicles. Now we can see it also is used in microgrids. Okay, another use of this battery is in the field of microgrids. Another use of battery is in the field of microgrid. Okay, microgrid, or you can see in household, that is in inverters, households, including, that is with the inverters. Okay, the batteries are widely used everywhere in our day-to-day activities. So after seeing this, we are going to in detail about a battery management system. So next class we will see what is management or what is battery management system, and in detail the parameters and the topologies of battery management system. Thank you.